What's up, YouTube? It's the Bass God. I haven't done a video in a long time, just because I'm still in the middle of getting my 6-order built. But I'm letting y'all see these 7-driver 10s that's going to be put in my vehicle. Like I told y'all in my last video, I was going with 4 10s per door, but I'm not going with 4 10s per door. Now I'm going with 3 per door, just because of the space that my door can take up. So I'm gonna still have the factory look, but I'm gonna be running 3 10s and 4 Super Tweeters in each door. And the Super Tweeters I'm gonna be running are the, the PRV TW350, well, the PRV 350 Ti Super Tweeters. Those are gonna be the ones I'm gonna be running. So, and these are 10s I'm gonna be running too. These 10s are rated at 840 watts musical. So roughly 840 watts RMS will be good to push these 10s. If you look at the magnet, and I did a video log before on these 10s. As you can see, they're heavy, and they have push handles as well with a 3-inch coil. As far as my 6-order that's getting built, I'm gonna have 8 SP4 Plus 18s in a 6-order. And Daniel Powell is building that build too. He's doing my 6-order along with my doors as well. So he's doing my doors and he's doing my build itself. And that build is in progress right now. My 818s, I've ordered all those. All those are being made currently. I just want to give y'all an update because I haven't done videos in a while, and I just been working on business, getting things set up for myself for the end of the year. I'm also putting a big order in for Powers amplifiers too. So if y'all looking to get some amplifiers, I'm gonna have damn near all the models in. I'm gonna have 3500s, I'm gonna have 5Ks, 8Ks, 10Ks, maybe 15Ks if we have enough in stock. So I'll have those in stock come next week. So if you want to order an amplifier from me, just shoot me a message. But I'm just letting y'all know the build is still in progress. It's gonna take some time, but at the end, trust me, it's gonna be worth it. So just giving y'all this video update, let y'all know what's going on, letting y'all know I haven't forgot about y'all. Y'all just need to be patient, and everything should be coming along just like my last build that I had with my 4-order. But these 10s, I'm telling you, my mids and highs game is gonna be on a whole different level compared to what y'all seen before. And the FS on these 10s are about, I think it's 55 hertz. The FS on these is about 55 hertz. So I can roll off 110 hertz a lot lower. That way my mid bass will blend in with my subs a lot better. So that's another good thing. Oh, that's another reason why I decided to go with all 10s instead of 8s this time. So that's just my update. Y'all got any more questions about this 6-order that I'm gonna have, y'all hit me up.